Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write essay on India's progress in science and technology. It is a very trending and important topic for both exam point of view and competitions. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Now, let's start learning. Introduction. India has made great progress in science and technology. Since independence, India dedicated itself to building its scientific expertise. Nowadays, India is recognized for its progress in space science, information technology, medicine, and numerous other fields. All these advancements have benefited the lives of individuals and made India a source of pride worldwide. Next subheading is Space Science. India has made remarkable progress in space research through its space agency. ISRO, that is Indian Space Research Organization. The journey began with the launch of Aryabhatta, India's first satellite, in 1975. Since then, India has achieved several milestones. A major achievement came in 2023 with Chandrayaan 3. which successfully landed on the moon's south pole. A historic first in the world. ISRO is also working on the Gaganyaan mission, which aims to send Indian astronauts to space. These achievements show India's growing power in space technology and its ability to carry out complex missions. Next subheading is Information and Digital Technology. India is currently among the world leaders in the IT industries. Bengaluru, Pune, and Hyderabad are big IT centers. Indian software professionals work in leading international corporations. The Digital India initiative has enabled internet services in rural areas, UPI has facilitated secure and convenient digital payments. Small shops now even employ mobile payments, illustrating that technology has reached the masses. Next subheading is Health and Agriculture. India has come a long way in healthcare and farming. Indian researchers created vaccines such as Covaxin during the pandemic of COVID-19. India also manufactures low-cost medicines and distributes them to numerous nations. In agriculture, new methods and technologies like genetically enhanced seeds, drip irrigation, and soil testing have enabled farmers to produce more crops and minimize wastage. Next subheading is Conclusion. India's growth in science and technology has been inspiring. These accomplishments have not only enhanced our daily lives but have also placed India firmly in the world. With ongoing efforts and innovation, India's future in science and technology appears even brighter. It is an inspiring example of how a developing nation can emerge leader through knowledge and effort.